HubSpot Analytics Review. Watch before using. Welcome to the HubSpot Analytics Review. Links to HubSpot are in the description below if you're ready to dive deeper. Let's get into what makes HubSpot Analytics a powerful tool for businesses aiming to optimize their digital marketing strategy. HubSpot Analytics is crafted for marketers, sales teams, and business owners who need a clear view of customer behavior and campaign performance across their entire marketing funnel. It's a comprehensive platform that tracks metrics like website traffic, page performance, content engagement, and much more. For anyone familiar with Google Analytics, HubSpot's integrated setup provides similar data, but goes even further with detailed, actionable insights tailored for customer conversion. Key features include detailed traffic analysis, where you can view the number of sessions, bounce rates, and traffic sources broken down by channel. Additionally, HubSpot's attribution reporting is a standout feature, enabling you to track which touchpoints drive conversions. This is essential for understanding what's working at each stage of your funnel. The contact timeline feature is especially useful for sales and customer service, as it shows every interaction a contact has had with your business: emails, calls, page visits, so you can pinpoint exactly where they are in the buyer journey. HubSpot also supports robust, customizable dashboards and reports. This makes it easy to present key data to stakeholders, whether you're measuring social media, email marketing, or content performance. Plus, since HubSpot is an all-in-one CRM platform, integrating your analytics directly into your sales and marketing tools creates a seamless experience, helping your team make more data-driven decisions in real time. If you're looking for a powerful yet user-friendly analytics platform that offers both high-level and in-depth data insights, HubSpot Analytics is absolutely worth considering. It's designed to grow with you, making it a smart choice for scaling businesses as well. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps promote valuable content like this so others can find the information they need too. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.